everybody, I'm gonna go to sleep. And what should we do? We have to brush our teeth. We got this. This is my teeth. Pretend this is my teeth, guys. I ate a lot of food. Now I need to brush my teeth. It's because it's bedtime. This book recommends brushing your teeth. So what we should do is we got our teeth, open it up, get our brush, put toothpaste, and up and down we brush, and inside on the tongue, and we take some more and then spit it, spit, and spit. And this is the clean teeth you should have, guys. Clean, shiny like mine.
Oh, your teeth looks perfect, Ziva.
Good night, everybody.
And for that you get a toothbrushing badge from the Hey Doggy series. Can we ask them to stay connected with us?
Yeah.
And don't forget to
brush your teeth.
And like.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Share. And comment down below on my YouTube channel for more information.
Make sure you like and subscribe on Hungry Minds.